Hi, good day. I am Lucy Marpagado, and you can call me Lucy for short. I'm a social media manager focused on video editing and graphics for over 4 years now. And I can say that my experience in graphics has enabled me to continue producing high quality materials for my clients and create eye catching content for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube ads. I regarding the tools that I use Adobe Premiere Pro and CapCut for video editing, while I use Canva and Photoshop for graphics. So I have worked in a digital marketing agency. In my role, I was responsible for creating and implementing social media strategies for my clients and I handled multiple platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and focusing on content creation, scheduling, and engagement. So regarding the results, so I also handled a real estate client, which he started from a 200 subscribers. I grow his subscribers or followers in just a couple of 2 months. From 200 to 1,200 or 1,000, almost 1,300 followers. So let's collaborate, and I'm excited to work with you and to help you grow your brand and make your brand shine online. So thank you, and hope to collaborate with you. God bless you.